Oh. Ow. Hello. I'm a big fan of Bear Grylls, and here's your water. Oh. Yeah. Right. Put that in there. I'm a big fan of Bear Grylls, and I am doing this just because I really want you to watch this Bear Grylls. Really want you to watch it. I'm going to show you how I can do this, and yeah. So I'm doing this. I was inspired by Man vs. Wild, where men do this stuff. Well, now it's time for girls to show their strength. Stupid bag. Yes, okay, fine, I need a bigger bag. But girls can be a little weaker, but still, we can do this. So, I will show you, Bear Grylls, that I can do this. Okay. Okay. Well, I have to find a way out of here without my helicopter. Let's find for some oceans. Don't see anything ocean-like. Nothing with an ocean. Dang. I might as well go on searching for a while. Oh, there's nothing left in my bag that's food. I have to do some hunting. Oh, but I don't want to hurt one of those little animals. But, oh, I can't help it. I mean, look at them running happily over there. Haha, so funny. I know, right? And then, what's up with this? Oh, and then she had to eat one of her own species. Ew. Ew, that's disgusting. I know, right? Oh, but I don't have any food. Wait a minute. I think I might have a magic touch. My dog. I'm not a big fan of fish. Oh, excuse me. Whew. But I still need more. I mean, I can't just eat that. Maybe I could take out these vines and make something. And maybe put it into the water. It feels like this water can make you blue, or maybe something else. Let's see here. Sure, I am magical. Or just smart. Yeah, Bear Grylls, I'm awesome. I can do that. Guys, I have a net. Good. Don't want to use this. Who wants to be touched first? Don't worry, guys. I'm just hungry. Looks delicious. Whatever. I don't think the cow deserves to be eaten anyways. Yes! I might be getting hungry. That's what I thought. Well, I won't be in this for a couple days. Better go back to where I was before. There we go. Where'd my bag go? Right, it was over here. Let me get the water out of here. There we go, put this on. up here. Okay, fill this up. Okay. Got my water. Okay, there's so many pine trees and everything here. It's my bag. Get this back out. Oh my gosh, I have a smart idea how to get out of here. Okay. Yes! It works! There's water everywhere, and I'm gonna drown though. I'm gonna hop on top of my bag. Soon the edges are gonna be gone. That's fun. I think it's still doing it. You might be able to get out of here. Oh, I'm so wet. Oh my gosh, it's getting deep. Wow. Oh my dog. My dog. Never thought you could. I see. I see land, all right. Come on, roll faster. There's no water anymore. I've made it. Land! Land! City! Oops. Oh my gosh. Land! Sweet land! Do you know there's like a big ocean next to your place here? What? Oh guys. I'm from Woman vs. Wilds, and I succeeded. Well, I definitely have my ways. Oopsie. And I'm clumsy. But I did it. So beat that, Bear Grylls, in your face! In your face! See? I even survived a flood once.